Are you looking for the best small fish tank? In this video, we will look at some of the top small fish tanks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the Kohler Products AquaView 2-gallon 360 aquarium. The dimensions are approximately 10.2 inches in diameter by 10.5 inches in height, with a weight of 2 pounds when empty. This modern 2-gallon aquarium looks good wherever you place it, although to really appreciate the 360-degree view, it looks great placed in the center of a room. Constructed of impact-resistant plastic, it stops any worries or concerns about possible leaks. Easy to set up and easy to maintain, it has a powerful, compact filter that keeps aquarium water crystal clear and your fish healthy. With a flow rate of 25 gallons per hour, it increases oxygen levels and ensures that fish waste and other impurities are quickly removed. The AquaView 360 gives a crystal clear view of your fish, and with the built-in LED lighting, you can choose from 7 dazzling colors to brightly illuminate your fish. At number 2, we have the Marineland Contour Glass Aquarium Kit with rail light. The dimensions are approximately 9.5 by 10 by 10 inches, and it's 8 pounds in weight when empty. This 3-gallon aquarium has a sleek, modern design with rounded corners and a clear glass canopy to allow viewing from multiple angles. The glass canopy cover slides back easily so that you have all the space you need to feed the fish and to clean the tank. But you won't have to clean the tank all that frequently, as the 3-stage filtration system comes with a filter cartridge to clean out debris. The pump is quiet, which suits a work environment, and you can also adjust the flow. One of the best features of this tank is the light rail that rests slightly above the aquarium. These bright white and blue LEDs feature 2 settings and shine a beam of light onto the tank so that everything is beautifully illuminated. At number 3, we have the Fluval Spec 3 Aquarium Kit 2.6 gallon. The dimensions are approximately 10.8 by 11.8 by 8.7 inches with a weight of 4.8 pounds when empty. The Fluval Spec 3 is a 2.6-gallon glass aquarium with aluminum trim. Its contemporary look is designed for small areas such as desktops and countertops. Although small in size, the Fluval Spec is big on features. It comes with a sleekly designed overhanging LED light system consisting of powerful LED lamps that arc above the aquarium to provide brilliant illumination for plants and decor. The aquarium includes a powerful circulation pump with adjustable output nozzle and a 3-stage filtration system that is more than sufficient to keep the water clean and clear for long periods of time. This is a great space-saving tank, perfect for small fish. At number 4, we have the Tetra Cube 3-gallon aquarium with pedestal base. The dimensions are approximately 10.51 by 10 by 10 inches with a weight of 4.8 pounds when empty. The Tetra Cube Aquarium Kit is the perfect starter aquarium for kitchens, dormitories, classrooms, and offices, with the 3-gallon kit fitting almost anywhere. This sleek aquarium and cover are made of a clear plastic that resists cracking or shattering, and it has a pedestal base to raise it off the table. Designed for small tropical fish, goldfish, or a betta, this tank is equipped with a Tetra 3i filter that keeps your tank clean and provides a perfect environment for your fish. The tank also features an LED light which you can turn on or off, and the lid has a convenient feeding hole so you don't need to remove the entire cover to give your fish a feed. At number 5, we have the GloFish Aquarium Portrait Fish Tank with LED lighting and filtration. The dimensions are approximately 19 by 14 by 14 inches with a weight of 16.5 pounds. The GloFish Aquarium Portrait has a 5-gallon tank with a portrait design that is taller than it is wide, making it look especially good. This stylish rectangular aquarium is made from glass with rounded corners to give it a modern, contemporary look. It includes Tetra Hidden filtration with an adjustable flow filter pump, as well as a hinged GloFish cycle light with 4 different lighting modes that is suspended over the tank for easy access. There is no lid on the top of the aquarium, so access for feeding and cleaning is very easy. So that sums up the top small fish tanks. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.